Hey, stop. Stop it.
Fire black.
What are you doing? You just grabbed my camera. Are you having a rough day?
Yes.
Why are you having a rough day?
Because you're in trouble.
Because I'm in trouble?
Yes.
What did I do?
You've been in trouble, and I want to kill you.
Nice. Nice, thank you.
Louis, don't kill me.
I can't see your face.
Louis, don't kill me.
Griffin. Are you gonna come out?
No, I'm scared. Help.
Oh my goodness. Hello.
Be back to Griffin.
Stop it.
No. Fire ultra. Down your butt.
Off the couch. Off the couch.
Release.
Okay, we're done.
What's that?